Hi there, ni hao, welcome to Toy Princess. Today we have the Shopkins So Cool Metallic Fridge. It's an exclusive metallic fridge and it comes with 8 metallic Shopkins. You can see the green and pink metallic design. Let's open it and have a closer look. So here it is, you can push, pop, and drop. Our So Cool metallic fridge comes with the fridge, which has another shelf. So we have our fridge here, and we have a set of mini Shopkins, which has the tilt lever. Whoa, are they gonna fall out? We have our freezer compartment. We have our drawer. And another compartment. And you can see the nice metallic finish on the fridge. It's great. We also get 2 green shopping bags and an ice bucket. We have these great decal stickers to decorate our fridge with. Let's have a look at our exclusive metallic Shopkins. We have a tomato sauce, a candy, a soft serve sundae, a soda, a cupcake, jam, a banana split, and a fruit drink. So let's have a play with our fridge and our Shopkins. Let's open it up and put some in our fridge. Put the jam in. Our soft serve ice cream. Soda can go in the door. Our drink. Tomato sauce. And our candy stick. Also, we have some of my other Shopkins. Don't really belong in the fridge, but that's okay. We have Brenda Blenda, Mary Meringue. We have our boot, can go in the door. And our plunger. So let's put our drink down. So he's sitting there. And we push with the cup. Oop, in the cup he goes. Now he's in the cup. Let's do it with one of our mini eggs. Oh, we didn't catch him. Try again. It's like an ice dispenser. Let's do lots of the mini Shopkins. Let's see if we can catch them all. Oh, all in there. How about this time we do Mary Meringue. She's a crystal glitz. Let's put our mini Shopkins back in. Now let's put some of our Shopkins in the freezer drawer. So Brenda blender in the drawer, the tomato sauce, and the soda. You can fit so many Shopkins in this fridge, it's great. I hope you enjoyed today's exclusive metallic Shopkins fridge. Join me again soon for more Toy Princess. Bye.